What if I were to tell you that you could make $300 or more a day for free and on autopilot? What if I told you that it took no more than 10 minutes a day and you could do it without showing your face or creating any content yourself? Well, the amazing thing is you can. So if you're excited to learn this exact step-by-step method, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into the method. Okay, so we need to find a product to promote. And in this video, we're gonna use Digistore 24. So all you have to do is go to Digistore 24. Now this is a massive affiliate marketplace that you can join for free to find products in tons of different niches. All you have to do is go up here where it says get started and go ahead and click there. Now you'll get taken to the sign up page. You wanna create a username, put in your email address, create a password, and then you wanna click right here where it says I'm an affiliate, because you're gonna become an affiliate for Digistore 24. Click that you've read the terms right there and just click continue to finish signing up. Now, once you're inside your dashboard, you wanna go to this top tab where it says marketplace and you wanna click there and you'll see all these different products listed. Now, for the sake of this video, we're gonna be promoting products in the make money online niche. So just go over here where it says product categories and we wanna click on digital products, because these are one of the easiest products to sell since people can purchase and get access instantly. And then we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna click on online marketing and e-business. Now, once you do that, it's gonna list all these different products. So each of these right here are different products that you can actually choose to promote. So I like to sort by popularity. You can sort by earnings per sale, things like that. But if you sort by popularity, chances are a lot of the best-selling products are going to be at the very top because you know that they're very popular and other affiliates are promoting them. Now, this one right here, you can see when you look at the right side, the earnings per sale on average is $835, okay, which is absolutely incredible. What you want to look for when it comes to Digistore 24 is the most popular products with the highest earnings per sale. You can see this one right here only has $12, okay? So you can make a ton of these sales, even though they're popular, but you're still only gonna make $12 per sale, which is gonna take a ton of sales. So for the sake of this video, we could literally just promote this one right here. And then all you have to do to get your affiliate link is click promote now. And then this right here is your affiliate link, okay? So you wanna copy that, you can put it in a notepad file, keep it handy, because this is what we want to get people to go to. Oh, and if you're the kind of person who just wants to follow a proven path, grab my free affiliate toolkit below. It includes the exact funnel and tools I use daily to generate leads and commissions so you're not starting from scratch. Now I'm going to share with you how to create a very simple free guide you can give away in your niche to start generating leads and sales with your affiliate offers. So you can just go to ChatGPT right here and we want to put in a prompt. Now I already have one saved right here. It says, I want you to create a simple one-page PDF document giving value on how to make money online. This will be used as a free guide I give away. Okay, so that's the context and the prompt for ChatGPT. Now you want to replace this with whatever niche or product you're promoting. So for example, if I'm promoting a product on how to make money online, this would work perfect. Copy this and then just go to ChatGPT and paste that in right there and then just enter. And in a matter of seconds, it will actually create this very simple guide. Okay, so it already finished in a matter of seconds. All you have to do is just copy this right here. Then just go into a blank document. You could use something like Google Docs, okay, if you have a Gmail account. And then just go ahead and paste in it right there, okay? Now, if it's 2 pages, that's fine, but you can actually remove there, okay? And then we can make this a little bit bigger by just highlighting it. Okay, and we can center this. So that looks pretty darn good. You can even make this slightly bigger, okay, and it will go into 2 pages, which is totally fine. Once we download this into a PDF, that is totally fine, okay? So you can see that this is value, right? It's teaching different ways people can make money, such as freelancing, selling digital products. Now, the last thing you want to do is you want to include your affiliate link, because you want to get people to read this and then ultimately go further so you can start to make money. So all you have to do is say something at the bottom like this, okay? So click here to see the system I recommend. And then all you have to do is highlight this, go to the top little paperclip icon, and then just put in your affiliate link right there. So for example, if this was my affiliate link, I could do that and then click apply, okay? Now that's actually a full PDF that we can give away. This is very valuable that you can give away to people that are interested in this specific topic. Now to save it as a PDF, just go to the top left where it says File, and then just click Download and then PDF Document, and this will save to your device as a PDF document that we can now give away. Now I want to share with you an incredibly simple strategy with Pinterest you can use to get free traffic over and over again for months to come. So what we want to do is we want to actually create pins, okay, and post these on a daily basis. And over time, these will start to get traffic and we can start to make sales even while we're sleeping. So to do that very easily, you can use a free site like canva.com. Just go to Canva, and if you don't have an account, go ahead and create a free account. Now, once you're logged in, they have all these different templates right here, okay? You can see right here. But what we want to do is we want to go up here and we want to type in Pinterest pin, okay? And we want to actually hit that right there, and we want to search for templates, okay, that are in the Pinterest pin that we can go ahead and modify. Now, if we scroll down, you can see that they have this little crown icon. This is pro, meaning you have to pay, but they do have some really good ones that you can use for free, okay? So we want to search, and we can actually find some like this one, for example, okay? Or, you know, this one is pro. So we just want to find, this one's perfect, okay? So let's go ahead and click that there. And then we want to click customize this template. Now, when it comes to Pinterest pins, we want to make this attention grabbing, colorful, vibrant, and really stand out. You know, Pinterest is all about bright colors and things like that. And we really want to stop people in their tracks and attract them to our offer. So right here, what I can do is first off, change this color because this is a very dull color. So just click on that right there, and where it says color here, we can just change this to, you know, red or, you know, blue or something like that. Just, you know, play around with it and see what color works best for you and what you're going for. Okay, but for the sake of this, I mean, we could even just do black, okay, like that, because with the white, it's going to really pop. Now for this top part, we want to put just a few words that is our main benefit with the offer we're promoting. So if you're promoting an offer that helps people make commissions daily when it comes to making money online, I can go ahead and make this headline something like earn commissions daily, right? Now, if you want to resize this, you can just click and hold one of these corners and then just make sure it's in the middle like that. For this bottom part, we can actually delete that because we don't want their link. And we can even edit this slightly too by making this a little bit bigger and then make it smaller. So it's just one line like this. And we can actually add in another line. So we can go to text, add a heading, and then we can say something like, you know, without a website or tech skills, right? Just adding a little bit more context. So earn commissions daily without a website or tech skills. And you can change this text color to, let's say, white. Okay, so it matches. I can actually enter that right there, okay? So it's starting to come together. Now, one other thing you can do is you can go to elements on the left and you can just select like one of these, like this square, okay? And you can go up to the color here and I can choose something like, you know, like a yellow, okay? And then I can actually drag this here, right? I can move this up and then I can make this color black, okay? So that's starting to look really good. Now for this image here, I recommend you choose an image that's related to the offer you're promoting. Now you can go to a site like FACELESS.com, which gives you royalty-free images. And once you're there, just type in something, again, related to this. So this is earning commissions daily without a website. So this is all about easy money. So I could type something in like laptop beach, okay? Because when I think about easy money, I think about being on the beach with your laptop, right? So I mean, this could be right here, a perfect image. Once you find a good image, just click free download there to download it to your device. Okay, and then just go back here and then just go to uploads right here. And you can go ahead and upload that photo. Once it's uploaded, just click on it right there and it will put it into the image and it will automatically center it like that. Okay, so that's looking really good. And then what you can do is add one more element. Okay, so if we go to first off the text, so to add the text, we want to say a call to action. Okay, so let's say we're promoting an affiliate offer and the affiliate link takes people to a free video that explains more. So I could say something like tap to watch free video. because what's going to happen is when someone clicks on this pin, it can automatically take them to our funnel link. So now that we have a pretty professional and attention grabbing Pinterest pin, just go to the top where it says share and then just click download to download this to your device. Now go back to Pinterest and now we want to post it. So I can just click up here and I can click create pin. And then I can just go ahead and drag or upload the photo we just created. Okay, so that's looking pretty darn good right there. Now for the title, we want to just write something similar to this main headline, okay, to capture more attention. So I can go ahead and say something like earn commissions daily with 0 tech skills. And then for the description, we want to write a little bit to pique their interest, okay? And then we want to end with a call to action to click a link. So go ahead and write something like this, okay? So I actually created this ahead of time. It says, tired of complicated affiliate marketing strategies? This beginner-friendly method shows you how to earn daily commissions without a website, tech skills, and without creating content. Click here to access the same system I'm using. Okay, so that's pretty darn good. And then for the link right here, we want to put in our funnel link. Okay, you can't really direct link to an affiliate link right here. If you don't have a funnel, what you can do is instead of saying click here, you can say click the link in my bio and then actually have the link to your affiliate offer in your bio. And then all of your pins would basically be getting people to go to that link. But ideally you have a funnel and then you want to put in your funnel link. Okay, so I'll just say, funnel link right there. Board, okay, if you have a board, you can actually, categorize this if you've already created one. But that's pretty much it, okay? Once we've uploaded this, all we want to do is click publish, okay? It's published, and then I can view what this looks like, okay? And that's looking pretty darn good. You can see this big headline right there, earn commissions daily without a website, tap to watch free video. When they actually tap here, it's going to take them to our funnel. And if you don't have a funnel link, they'll just read over the description and then they'll go to your profile and then click the link in your profile like that. This strategy works incredibly well. You want to stay consistent and you want to create these pins on a daily basis. So again, if you're someone who likes things done for you, definitely grab the toolkit below. It's free and it gives you the exact system I use to generate affiliate commissions with as little effort as possible. Be sure to like and subscribe if you got value. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video.